little interesting, so we'll do this one. All right, what I want you to do is I want you to do one thing first, and that is to feel what it feels like to distract the joint. Actually, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to decide what motion this joint is going to do intrinsically. That means inside. There's a rule. It's called the convex concave rule. That's right. Now, what do you think this little bone is? This phalanx. What do you think it is? Do you believe that it's concave or convex? Everyone, look at yours and see what it looks like. Does it look concave or convex? Concave. Really? This little round guy looks concave to you.
You said phalanx. So not the meta.
I did.
So isn't that this one?
That's this one right here.
I thought that was the metacarpal.
No, this one right here. This one right here.
It's pointed, so it'll say con.
Yeah. The met head is convex.
That head is
Convex. And then the proximal phalanx is concave.
okay. Fine. Good. All right. So what I'm interested in knowing is in which direction this is going to go. If I make the distal aspect and go up, which will the
Phalange
is going to go superior.
All right, good. So, but what will the metacarpal do?
Should be stabilized.
Yeah.
Well, actually, you'd think you'd want to stabilize it, but I would like you to stabilize it and have them both do the motion that they normally would do. One going up, one going down. All right? That way you can say, oh, well, if this one goes up, where is this one going to go? Down. Okay? And the reason why I want you to do that is because I want you to feel what happens inside the joint. Are you seeing what's happening? Yes! Amazing things happen inside the joint. It's crazy. All right.
It didn't
So,
hurt though.
no, here's the interesting thing. Almost every... Yes, literally. Well, doctor handled, actually.
Doctor handle.
And then I had people doing this. They did this. I go, what are you doing? I said, I want to see some stability. And so they said, oh, well, how's this? And I said, yes. Then I said, now distract and they do this. What's wrong with that? Well, no, they because they're trying to do this. That's not distraction. Distraction is that. That. You're just taking the space away. If you get really close, you can just actually push your fingers. You can just bump your fingers together and it'll pull apart. Okay, but it's just that. Now you're saying, well, doesn't that look like what the joint's going to do pretty soon? Yes. That's the whole point. Okay, so you stretch it and you feel what it feels like. Then you're going to do, once you've distracted it, you're going to do grade 1 moves. So everyone do this. Move. Okay, that's moves. That's grade 1. Or om. All right, whatever you do. I got bees. I had bees going. Bzzz. I don't care. Small amplitude. Small amplitude. Small amplitude.
Smaller. Grade 1.
Fast
Oscillation.
oscillation. All right. Second one, same. Distract first. This one goes down. That one goes up. Large amplitude. Slower oscillations. Little amplitude, fast oscillations or frequency. greater amplitude, crunch, crackle, pop. Greater amplitude, help me out, slower oscillations. All right, so everyone start with the thumb and then work slots that the wrist goes in, and I can reach around and grab the two little slots. And I can pull him right off the table.
Yep, you can.
I could. And he couldn't stop me. But I won't. All right. So if you have a neighbor, go ahead and wrap your hand around it. Find the two little grooves. If you're not sure, wiggle it back and forth, and your hand will kind of settle right into the groove. There we go. Leo, go find somebody. Find a partner. There you go.
Here, give me that.
All right. Now, so far so good, right? Now, most of you would have the idea that if I wanted to pull the wrist, I could do this one-handed. Sure could. And you'd say, well, I'll just stabilize this and you'll hold it way out here. No. Do you do manual muscle testing way out there?
Nope.
No. You do it right next to that. If you did this right next to this, you could actually push the hands into each other and literally distract the wrist like crazy. Okay? So, what you're going to do is you're going to find the little slot, you're going to grab on, you're going to gently distract. And gently distract is also just a little bit of rise in the metacarpals and drop on the radius and ulna. Okay, a little rise on the metacarpals, a little drop on the and that's enough distraction, yes?
Yep.
To get a really nice grade 1 motion. Grade 2, again, distract, find the soft spot, and grade 2 motion.
That's good.
Feels good?
Yep.
Feels natural, right? And I'm really holding on, huh? Okay? So, what I need you to do is get your partner back and distract.